From the heart of the tropics, a simple fruit begins its incredible journey. Precision and scale meet nature's bounty. Every step a testament to innovation. From plant to crunch, it begins here, in a place where the sun rises to greet a green sea of promise. This is where the journey of a single snack truly starts. Each bunch is carefully tended to, a testament to the farmers who understand that patience is the first ingredient. When perfectly ripe, the bananas are harvested. It's a death. They begin their journey. Transported with care, the bananas are ready for transformation. Arriving at a state-of-the-art facility, every step is guided by precision and a commitment to quality. Only the finest bananas are selected, ensuring that every chip that follows is of the highest caliber. Washed, peeled, and sliced with incredible precision. Each piece is prepared for the next stage of its transformation. In the heat of the fryer, a simple slice becomes something extraordinary. The magic of cooking creates the perfect crunch. Seasoned to perfection, each chip is a burst of flavor, crafted for the ultimate snacking experience. Before leaving the factory, every batch is rigorously tested. Quality isn't just a goal, it's a guarantee. Packaged and prepared for their final journey, the chips are ready to travel from the factory to your table. From farm to flavor, a simple banana becomes a moment of enjoyment. A journey crafted for you.